Hey you guys, I hope you're having an amazing day. I'm really excited to show you this property here. It is not even yet on the market. Y'all know I'm like the queen of the pocket listings here. But so what you're going to see behind me is Loft Delfines. It is in a boutique building here in Conchas Chinas. There's only 13 units in total in this building. We are in number 2A. You've got partial ocean view if you can kind of peek a little bit through the vegetation that's out there. But you've got a pool view for sure. All the furniture that you're going to see is included in the sale. What else can I tell you? The asking price is $495,000. It is 2 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, a little over 1,900 square feet. Comes with a deeded parking, and you have 2 storage bodegas. I am really excited to show you guys this place, and today I am recording in landscape mode. You're welcome. Tons of you guys, especially on YouTube, are like, turn your camera around. So this is for all of you who wanted the portrait or the landscape mode. So this is the view when you get out of your elevator, or you can actually walk up because you're on the 2nd floor. So it's literally just like a 1 level down that you're gonna walk. But okay, so let's get into it. As you enter, you have a great little entry here. I always like when you have a place that you can store your keys. And like I said, everything that you're gonna see included is gonna be coming with the sale. So if you're wanting to buy this as an investment property, and you're not gonna need to do anything here, really just hire your property manager and let's get going. One of the things that I like about this is that you have a complete separation of the 2 units, and both of these bedrooms are humongous here. So you can see you've got a little TV area here / workstation, and off of the main, or off of the bedroom here, you have a complete little patio that is private. This is the only unit that has this patio in this complex. So that's actually a really good bonus. You can come out here, you can have your coffee in the morning if you wanted to do a little workout here, because it's in a shaded section. So you've got complete privacy here. Kind of look up and see what you're gonna see all around. Complete privacy, but I love that they have this extra little terrace out here. Super cute. Furniture has been imported from the US. You're not going to find nice stuff like this mostly in the condos here in Vallarta. They did a great job of importing all their stuff down, and they have really good taste. Another upgrade that you're going to see here are these frosted doors for the toilet room. Mostly all the other condos here, it's just open. So you have like the shower door, and then these guys on both of the bathrooms put in the nice frosted glass. You also have a cute little storage bodega here. And this is your bathroom. Alrighty. As you're walking into the unit, you've got another storage bodega here that has a stackable washer and dryer. And then you have the little sink there for the mop. Nice open floor plan here, kitchen overlooking the living room, and you also have a living wall here, which I think is a really cool added bonus, and it's very beautiful. Just adds some more life. In the kitchen, they've upgraded the door pulls. So everything that you see here is all an upgrade, and also the flooring. This is an upgraded flooring from what you're gonna have in other condos here. Nice view of the living room. The lighting has also been upgraded, and the curtains are all electric. So at the touch of the button, if you're in your bedroom or the living room, all of the shades roll down. We'll check out the view outside after we come into this primary suite. One really cool thing about this primary suite is that you have on either side, you've got kind of like when you see these flex spaces where they have these walls that can be shut. So you can leave everything open if it's just you here. If you need a little bit more privacy, there is a pocket door right there that you can pull out. Great size bathroom here. You have double sink vanity. Again, the frosted glass, and you've got the closet with all the built-ins. Just gonna give you guys an idea here. Now let's head outside so you can take a look at the view. You've got partial ocean view if you can kind of peek through the vegetation that's out here. But you definitely have an amazing pool view. And every time I've come here, because I do have a friend that lives here, I've never seen anybody out on the pool. It's always really quiet, really private. Only thing you can hear out here right now, because we are in the jungle, are the sound of the parrots. There's a nice pool view. So there's parking in the front when you're driving up. The parking is right outside. You do have a deeded space here. Gonna give you one more little recap. I always like to just kind of walk the property one more time just in case you were looking at something and you wanted one more little view. So this is your gorgeous primary suite. Nice living room, kitchen. Okay, so we're gonna do a little recap. The asking price is $495,000 US, a little over 1,900 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, located here in Conchas Chinas, Loft Delfines. If you guys are interested, you can hit me up on my DMs, send me a text message, send me an email. I'm on WhatsApp. There's so many different ways that you can get in touch with me. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. And again, for those of you who were asking for it in landscape mode, you're welcome. Have a great day, guys.